Hey everyone, did you know that Lowe's offers a free DIYU kids workshop to the public once every month? The workshop provides your kids with a new project that takes about 15 to 30 minutes to complete, along with all the tools necessary to complete it on site. Usually these workshops are scheduled for 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the second or third weekend of the month, but individual Lowe's location times may vary. To participate, you must register online beforehand because space is limited. We'll link the registration website in the description below, but registration usually opens about a month before the workshop date, and it fills up quickly. Broken up into time slots, it's important to arrive within your reserved time to ensure that the tools and space is available for you. But if it's your first time, you'll also get a brand new builder apron, but they do run out, like on our visit. As for the project, it comes with all the materials and a step-by-step guide to get you started. The projects will require some hammering and screwing, and they also come with other things like stickers to personalize them. Once done, the kids will get a well-earned badge that's included in the package. Collecting 6 for their apron will nab them a special junior builder badge, and if your kid manages to collect 12 patches, then they'll get a very impressive senior builder badge and a redemption code for a free tool bag to celebrate their accomplishment. And if you missed the sign up, you might still be able to pick up a leftover kit after the conclusion of the kids workshop if any are available. And Home Depot also has a free kids workshop that you can participate in as well, and you can watch the review of it here. Have a great one.
Thanks for watching our show.